Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna present you how artificial intelligence and extended reality for local governments can change future of the city and how we should start to implement uh, these technologies today. My name is Gimantas. I'm working in Lithuania. I'm speaking here from Lithuania. I'm recording here from Lithuania. First time for me. Uh, Fifth time for recording because it's very rare for me. Very weird. But okay, I'm living in Lithuania, in Vilnius. I'm working in Vilnius Planas. This is a Vilnius city municipality company that's working with data, firstly, and innovative solution implementation for the cities. And today I'm gonna talk about how I see the future with artificial intelligence and extended reality. I'm thinking about talking about four things with you: free and artificial intelligence. We will get back to that. And this is kind of a future city formula. I'm thinking about that. There's a couple of other components, but let's just leave it them to the future. And future city formula is going to be from data or big data, digital twin. It's a representation of real thing in digital environment. Extended reality, it's virtual and augmented reality in one buzzword or fancy name. I believe you know virtual reality from glasses or from games, and I believe you know augmented reality from Pokemon Go game or something else. And then artificial intelligence. I don't like to name it artificial intelligence. I name it machine learning. We don't have artificial intelligence, but maybe it's just me and nobody cares about that. I don't know. So let's go to the next slide. Data. Data data. Sometimes I will say data because in Lithuania is data and it's kind of hard. So data is the first step for future city. Data has become the key asset for the economy and our societies, and the need to make sense of the big data is leading to innovation in technology, also to innovation in technology leading better computers, some quantum computers, and a lot of more, but let's just say that. And all cities are the main data sources, and municipalities should exploit that. That is my belief, and I think municipalities have an enormous amount of data. So what that means for what this sentence means. So firstly, we should understand that information in our digital age is like oil or gold. It's a very, very good thing, and in later we will monetize it very, very clearly and very simple, and maybe a lot of you will get paid because of that data, and you will work with data. Second, municipalities are one of the main sectors that can have a big enough amount of information to change how cities evolve. So huge amount of information can help us to project how we should develop our cities, and by using digital information we can simulate and analyze parts which we don't understand. So let's take as an example of roads and traffic. You can gather all the Google Map or some kind of other app data that are locating your location, and you can see by that how much cars are moving to one or second direction. It's nothing new, but from that information we can understand how we should build roads further, and how we should evolve roads, and how much roads we need in the future, and maybe simulate or think about future more clearly. Also, there's some kind of rule that municipalities have a lot of data, but they don't know what they have. I believe that it can be every municipality case, uh, but why is that the problem, and why is that topic I'm talking about? Firstly, for a better future and for extended reality, of course, we will go into that. We need normal data. We need standardized data. We need to know what we have, and we need to visualize it somehow, or by vectors, 3D models, or whatever. And the main case is that municipalities don't know how to work with data, and they don't know how to visualize it, and mostly they work on legacy platforms that can visualize only 2D data. Uh, I believe your municipality is working with the same soft that I hate from my heart, for sure. And what our European Union talks about digital strategy is that generating value at the different stage of data value chain will be at the center of the future knowledge economy. So if municipality will have a good standardized data, they have a better paycheck, they have a better decision making after they visualize and implement that data in digital twin. We will get to that. And they know what they have. The first thing, they know what they have. So when we will, let's just say that we have information, all the data is good, we have BIM models, 3D models, IoT applications, GIS, whatever we have, and it's all good. We can go to the second part, where what we need to understand, and this is digital twin. So digital twin is a replica of a physical object. It could be a chair, a building, it can be you. And if I put a sensor in me, in my heart or whatever, and someone just scans me and creates a 3D model of me with that sensor data, we will have a digital twin of Žygimantas. So, but what that means and where it came from. So digital twin came from construction, mainly construction. I'm mainly focused on construction sites, and working in the municipality of construction and buildings and BIM, building information modeling processes. But digital twin is the not only a building, but it can be whatever you want. But when you have how you can create digital twins, so it's a lot of technology. Maybe it's maybe you know about photogrammetry. A lot of countries are now scanning their entire cities with drones and just creating 3D models of that. Then you can have a BIM, building information modeling of building information modeling. Is that when someone thinks about that they want a building, a big shopping mall or whatever, they go to guys with construction knowledge, and they will paint you a 2D model. But if they will paint you 3D model, and will implement IoT sensor data that will be in that building and create all that in one platform, and you just join to that platform admin, and you have a digital copy of that building or city or whatever. When you will have a digital copy of that building, city, or whatever, you can now get a data, real-time data from that building to your machine learning algorithm or whatever, and you can understand how that building is living. Also, same with the city or with the chair or whatever. When you will have a simultaneously and normalized data every day, you can see a pattern how that building, city, or whatever works, and it will help you. It can help, or not can, it will help you with decisions and analytics. So let's just say we have a digital twin of Vilnius. We don't have it, but we will have it. And digital twin in Vilnius, someone just I don't know, some sensors take a photo or whatever of a car crash. Just let's just say a car crash, a sensor detects it, uh, take a photo. We have a machine learning algorithm that detects that cars crashed, and now we can see it. We can update and make information possible to see very fast. Just maybe that can be messaged to your phone or message to the mayor of the city phone, and he will know in exactly in what time, where, and when that crash happened, and we can react and understand some similar situations more clearly and more fast. And also we will have a 3D or some kind of model, not model, some kind of that we can see, touch, understand more clearly with our eyes. When we will have it, we can uh, put that all information to extended reality. It's about virtual or augmented reality. So 2 points that we need to understand is we will need a data, and then we will need a replica of a building, chair, or whatever. Where is that data coming from? And when we will have these two things, it's kind of hardcore things, we can go to the next slide and talk a bit about digital Vilnius. Yeah, I forgot. So I put small part of digital Vilnius systems or architecture, something like that. I have a full, not a full, uh, bigger portion, but from full it's far, very far. So digital Vilnius can have an integration with other systems, sustainability and resilience, decision support system, citizen engagement, real-time data integration, data, infrastructure monitoring, data, simulation and modeling, analyzing the data, and geospatial mapping. So when we will have digital Vilnius can digital city or digital copy, digital twin, whatever you name it, can have a lot of different things in one platform. That is the main point, because in municipalities we have for today we have a lot of different applications, programs, or something like that, in different way, going different ways, working with different environment, different file types, and something like that. And this is very bad because we can't react very fast or do some kind of project very fast or whatever, because we have different systems. And maybe you can think about that. We have system that only supports 2D information, but business came to us, gave us a 3D model, and we can't use 3D model because of we have 2D platform. It's a crazy thing. So digital twin is the thing that can put all the information, whatever you find, in one platform and understand how that information interacts between, and it will give you more immersive experience and more clear decision making. And now we go to extended reality. So what is extended reality? I would talked about what can help extended reality to future of the cities. This is kind of hard, but I will try. Uh, in today, we don't have enough virtual reality classes. We don't have enough customer base of people using virtual reality classes. So it's kind of hard for us to understand clearly what will impact will be, how we can use it or whatever. But I know for sure that this is the future. And who doesn't like virtual reality or thinks that virtual reality is meh, and no one will use it? So firstly, have a try it, and try one game. It's called Half-Life Alyx. It's a virtual reality game. Just try to play it. It's a horror game, but just start. Then the game will do it. Uh, and from that game, I understood one thing. When I played that game for 2 or 3 hours, something like that, it was really interesting for me. I put off my glasses and I wanted to go to the toilet, and I just moved a little too fast because the game gravity system was so immersive that I thought in real life that I'm still in that game. So, and this is just the early stage of virtual reality. We are developing virtual reality, developing from $1 billion investment, 9 years, something like that. So just 9 years, and we have Oculus Quest, we have Apple, of course, we have chips of Elon Musk. This is kind of different thing, but it's already very interesting. And for me, it's very interesting too that virtual reality, if you have all the standard data information, and you have created your city digital twin, good enough, that can show that have good graphics, good information, good systems, all is clear and created with UE, UX, user interface, good interface, yes. So how much time will we get before we move to the virtual city life? I'm just for today thinking out loud. What if you want to go to buy a dress, a phone, whatever, but you don't want to go out, and but you want to, let's just say, check your dress if it's fit if it fits you. So you just put on glasses, go to the store, and have a try of that dress or whatever. and if you have quite good immersive experience. Uh, people don't need to go too fast. People don't need to go outside that they will see, touch, or think or feel. Yeah, things they can feel in virtual reality life. So I believe uh, municipalities are not maybe keeping up with virtual reality so good, but I don't know. But I believe that one day younger generation will not go out too much and they will just chill in virtual reality. Because I will love to go to Mars to buy a phone. Why not? It's cool. But in our world right now, virtual reality is usable for construction, immersive experience, entertainment, also augmented reality too, simulations, and future of business. So what that means in construction, you can, with virtual reality, you can easily check your building, how it looks, how it should look. It maybe check how uh, people will walk from your point of view to understand it more clearly. So it gives you immersive experience, entertainment too. What if your city will create some kind of I don't know that word. Sorry. Uh, ha. Some kind of um, thing, thing. uh, Festival, let's just say festival, some kind of festival in virtual reality. They will create festival in virtual reality. You put on glasses, you see dragons or whatever you like, and it can be so much fun that you would try it. Yes, yes. So also simulations is one of the main things that can be used for virtual or augmented reality. You can simulate whatever you want in virtual reality is just a game, so you can do whatever you like. It's maybe in virtual reality we will have a GTA 7. So uh, and future of business, it's if a consumer base moves to virtual reality, so then business will move with us because they will want our money. um, so this is just a fast talking point about that. I don't know. There's too much to say in 20 minutes, something like that. But maybe from the student point of view, I didn't want to go by the book. I have two more slides. Yes, this is the main process. The main process is simple. If you have a data and algorithm, so you put IoT, BIM, or GIS, or whatever data, and you can put your data into extended reality or digital twin platforms, and you will get decisions and simulations based on your machine learning algorithm. Just that, simple as that. It's a lot of coding and user interface, but mostly we will move to that very fast, and younger generation will just speed that thing up and put on the automatization. And those two slides that I was talking about is that not only extended reality can be thing, not only artificial intelligence can be thing or whatever. There is a couple more things. I put those. This slide is from Future Engineering Vision. I will put a link to that, I guess. But what I want to say with that is that there's a lot of more things that is happening around the world, From autonomous vehicles, it's that AV, it's a new thing and it's going fast enough. That smart cities coming that we are talking about now, a high-tech construction, advanced material. This is where is I would paint the mark in the other way, but maybe okay. With the high-tech construction, advanced material is very new but impacting thing, because when we will 3D print out our homes, and when we will have a cheaper construction, it will save for municipalities a lot of money and for countries, and we will also build a better infrastructure, more sustainable infrastructure, and it will help with policy funding and alternative energy. So, and these all things coming from one thing that is going right now is a climate change, and we have to understand the power of innovation and technology right now, because we don't have a lot of time, if for real, uh, from a virtual reality experience. So we have one good thing. I remember that one country, island, I don't know the name of that country, but all the island was scanned and put in virtual reality in metaverse to to preserve it, because that island was going to disappear because of the rising sea level. And the first thing for the city is that how virtual reality could be used, or metaverse could be used, is that you can scan entire city, and put it in the another verse, metaverse, and that city will live on forever, unless you turn off the server, but whatever, or electricity goes off, but whatever. So this is the one of the most interesting thing for me, I guess. And the second slide is that where we are going from now to 2017. So in the yellow we have innovation, in purple we have disruptions, and in blue, green, or something like that we have informed speculations. So about innovation, we are coming now is that you can see construction drones is a very nice thing. Flexible batteries, graphene, liquid battery, the thing. Disruptions also, GMO food disaster. Yes, we have a problem with food also, even more when we have a war, and our food suppliers, two of the most food having, yeah, yeah, two most popular food supplier are in war, so whatever. Also we will have a 3D printing, sustainable desalination. One of informed speculation is going to be that new construction is 3D printed. It will be hella cool if it will happen by that. Then most of the disruptions are coming later, so we have 20 time to get ready, and then we will go have fun. General IE is on disruption, because yes, I'm thinking that we don't have that. That's what I said. We don't have a artificial intelligence. We will have it later by these speculations in 2015 mostly. But general IE could be real good disruption if we won't use it enormous. And 2016, most cargo is shipped via Hyperloop and AV. This could be cool. So why I showed this presentation? Maybe it's because there is yes, now it's big data, digital twin, or an extended reality, but there's a lot of more things that is happening around in the world that will impact city life and your life. So just keep in mind that, and maybe you will, you in this slide and previous slide, you can just see all the things you need for real. I love this slide. I'm using it everywhere, and that's all from me. Also, about artificial intelligence, you can scan this QR code. Ha, I believe you can scan it. One second, I will try it too right now. Huh. Yes, you can scan it. All good. And you can read first artificial intelligence magazine that I created with my team. We used ChatGPT and other language models to create some kind of uh, uh, text on innovation and how innovation will impact future of the world. There will be more specific use cases that I wrote about and my colleagues wrote about. So have a try. Maybe it will be interesting for you. And I hope so. I've told something good. Sorry for not by the book speaking. And have a nice day. And of course, if someone wants a question, ask me a question. There's my contacts. Have a try. I will try to reach on. Bye.